than a fucking bandsaw. I can't stand y'all. If you got something against my swagger, I'll stab you in the head with my dagger. I can sing and dance, kinda like Mick Jagger. I'm the guy who's gonna be in power when I climb to the top of the CN Tower. I'm worth more than $12.50 an hour. Someone should tell you that you need to take a shower, 'cause you stink. You definitely don't smell pretty like a flower. I'm never gonna cower or retreat. You don't wanna compete, 'cause if I see you on the street, I'll sweep you off your fucking feet. You're obsolete. Me and my team are a killer elite. I won't stop till I complete my obligation, which will lead to total domination. My beats and rhymes are a deadly combination. Time for me to make an observation. You have a pretty pissed off look in your face, similar to constipation. I'm always looking out for the hip-hop nation. So you wanna see the man fall? I'm gonna stand tall. Keep running your mouth, I'll smash you in the damn jaw. I'm sharper than a bandsaw. I can't fucking stand y'all.